am one with nature, I am not separate from the earth.
I'm Kayla.
I'm Ali.
We're XXFlos, a contemporary floral design brand.
And today we're going to show you how to make an arrangement in the VICE Growroom.
For centuries, witches and Wiccans have used altars as a means of meditation and workshop, and we like to incorporate it in our everyday lives as florists. And we'd like to show you today how you can do it at home or for friends' dinner parties. Today we've brought some elements together for our personal witch altar that we really resonate with. However, you can use whatever you want that is special to you. We've brought some soil of the earth, which is special because everything grows out of it, and so I like to use that. Garlic because it's good for your immunity, and it's also really gorgeous in a decorative piece.
And such as sage, it's very cleansing, it's got a really beautiful smell, and you can purchase it from any kind of alternative stores or markets. Also purifying quartz, same thing, you can purchase from any alternative stores, beautiful, and they've just got such a nice energy about them.
And last but not least, we bring in the life of the flowers, which are the centerpiece for our ritual altar.
So we're going to just start by laying a bit of soil throughout our arrangement, just at the base of it, just to lay down some sort of foundation. You can also do it with grains of rice, sand, flour, grapes, any fruit that's kind of in season.
Step 2 is our seasonal jasmine tail, and this is going to be the backbone of our piece that creates like depth and line.
Up next, we've got garlic.
It's good for warding off any evil, as you know from vampire films.
We've used these threads in order to keep them together, and then just spread them through the arrangement like that.
This is your focal flower, the warata, which you definitely don't have to use. Obviously, there's beautiful native wildflowers all over, growing in parks, growing over people's fences, growing in back alleyways, maybe in your own garden. Anything that's like big and textural and brings the colors and the line out of the other pieces. Finally, in this last step, we're creating the full body of our witch altar today with this beautiful seasonal flower called ranunculi.
They're kind of a good replacement also for roses or peonies if you want to do it cheaper.
Cheap option.
And also the way they open up is so beautiful.
And last but not least, we're going to bring some lavender in, which has really beautiful healing properties. It's calming, it's good for insomnia, it's good for headaches. You can make teas with it, you can put it in your bath. And I'm just going to dot it through a little bit just to bring like a little interest into other parts of the arrangement. And last but not least, after you've set up your beautiful altar, you can do a meditation that can connect you with yourself and nature by closing your eyes, lighting a candle, lighting some incense, and imagining your favorite spot in nature that makes you feel most at home. Just close your eyes and imagine you're there and nothing can touch you. I am one with nature, I am not separate from the earth. I am one with nature, I am not separate from the earth.
We're XXFlos, and this is how you make a contemporary witch altar.
From your garden, from your grow room, at home, all by yourself.